Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. How you doing, mate? It's fine. Thank you very much for helping. No worries, pal. Right, quick greenhouse catch-up video. See what's happening. Beautiful petunias up here. That one was from Thompson & Morgan. That one was grown from seed. Beautiful turquoise. Absolutely gorgeous. Here we have underneath 12 lemon balm herbs. Absolutely gorgeous. Then we have a Gestacia apricot sprite next to it. And then we have these are Gypsophilia doubles. They're growing really, really well. Really happy with them. You can get that in there. And then up the front there, potatoes. Two beautiful pots full there. So hopefully we're going to have some gorgeous potatoes. Nice bit of butter on them. It's absolutely outstanding. And then down there we have rosemary, parsley and mint. And then we have these beautiful flowers. These are violas. Absolutely outstanding. Yep, violas there. Then next to those, I always forget the name of these. Anyway, these are growing really, really well at the moment. And then behind that way, some Chinese radishes. And then we have some leftover petunias there, because I don't have enough space to put them all on. But they'll go into some pots over the next few days. Then we have some marigolds, which are looking absolutely outstanding. Make some cornflowers. This is a petunia that I pruned back yesterday or the day before. Deadhead that. Look how much better that's looking already. As you can see here, it's sending out loads of new little side shoots, so that's going to be a really bushy plant. Look forward to that. Then we have the Anthis Plumbularius Sonata. These are growing really, really well. Bit of grass seed. Grass seed seems to get everywhere with this. So if you get the compost, the peat-free stuff, grass seeds all over the place, but I'll put these on later on. Then we have two show begonias. They were from Firebricks Nurseries. I've took a few cuttings off one of those and nipped the tops out, so these are looking really, really well now. Just look at all the new shoots coming. This is called Whispers. It's a show begonia. I've took four cuttings off this. I think 3 have taken, one hasn't. But as you can see here, loads of nice new side shoots there. One at the back there. Then we have my tomato plant Gardener's Delight, which is looking really, really well. Next to that, on the shelf below, we have sweet peas that need pruning back and planting out soon. Then we have some pelargoniums. Above that, we have my first dahlia flower, that beautiful red one. That was grown from seed last year. Next to that is a tray of pom-pom dahlias. Then we have some echinaceas up here. I nipped the top out there. I'll probably nip this top out here, just there, and that will cause it to bush out at the bottom. Keep just taking the tops off. I just want to get nice, thick, strong plants growing here. It's a weed. And then we have these are Deltaspermia floribundia. They're what I've got left. As we come round here, we have here, these are my begonia plugs that I've planted all into one pot. That should be amazing this year. Then we come up here, we have cornflowers at the back there. And then we have the Bascom Snow Maiden, which is a whitish, creamish whitish variety. I just want to take one of these out and show you. These are looking really, really healthy. They'll go out soon. Then we have some Pelegonium Cuttings at this next to them. I'm going to be giving these away in a competition over the next week. So if you go on my Facebook and my Instagram and my YouTube channel, the next few days I'll tell you how to enter that competition. Unfortunately, I can only do it in the UK because I can't send them abroad, fortunately. So I'll be giving some of those away. Beautiful Pelegonium here, bright orangey red. And then we have here Rudbeckia. And look what happens when you let it dry out. Not very good at all, but the rest are looking really well. At the back, I've got some petunias. Next to those, I have some Anthis dwarf bouquet mix. I don't know if you can just, Pullman's orchid it's called. I don't know if you just see that flower there, absolutely gorgeous. At the back, I've got some, I think they're marigolds, and some lupins just at the full there, just at the front of those. And then we have here my pelargoniums. These are the ones I take cuttings from. Then we have a beautiful pink carnation from this was grown from seed last year. This is already flowered once. This will flower again. Nice bushy plant. Then we have, these are cuttings from last year. These are begonias, so they're all looking well. And then we come down here, we have the rest of my strawberries that haven't been potted on yet. Looking a bit worse for wear, but never mind. Do okay. Gardener's delight. And then at the back there we have some dahlia cuttings, along with some begonia cuttings, which are all looking really, really well. Even one of the begonias there is getting a flower on there. These are 10-week stalks. This is what happens when you let things dry out. If you just look, it just all turn yellow at the bottom. Oops, just get that out of the way there, folks. And we have cosmos next to there, all growing really, really well. There's some Chinese radishes and some dahlia cuttings at the back. And then finally, as we come up here, this is my first hanging basket. These are a double petunia from last year. Really, really nice, grown from seed. And then next to that, we have these new petunias grown from seed this year. These, just see the difference. Hopefully get plenty of nice flowers on those. This is a mixture between pelargoniums, begonias and petunias. I don't know if you can see there, a nice circle of petunias around the side, and then some nice begonias at the top, surrounded by some petunias, pelegoniums, sorry. So yeah, just a quick look out at the greenhouse door. Everything's starting to look really, really well, growing really, really well. I feed everything once a week now with a liquid feed, and then just come back in, say hi monkey, hi Paul, hi monkey, and that's everything. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.